Hello friends, welcome back in my new video. Guys, in this video we are going to talk about why consistency is important and why we need to be consistent in any movement, and why consistency is important to achieve goals, right? So guys, as you know that without consistency it is impossible to achieve anything you want to achieve, right? So guys, without further delay, let's get into video and let's start. Why consistency is important. So guys, we will understand with an example why consistency is important and why it is important for our life, right? So guys, I give you two examples, and I hope these examples are helpful to understand why consistency is important, right? First example is guys related to daily life, right? So guys, if you want to increase your height, you need to exercise regularly with consistency, then your height increases gradually. So guys, like that, English is improving gradually if you are to be consistent with your practice, reading, speaking. I hope this example is you understand and you get it my point what I want to say. Then guys, second example is guys related to actress Alia Bhatt and Kareena Kapoor. Guys, uh, dedication for that person who want to uh, achieve anything within month, right? Guys, during their pregnancy, Alia Bhatt and Kareena Kapoor's body shape uh, disturbed, and they want to gain their slim figure again after their, right? So guys, Alia Bhatt and Kareena Kapoor is dedicated to gain their slim figure again, and they do exercise regularly with consistency, and within 1 month, guys, within 1 month they gain their slim figure again, right? So what you understand by this example, guys, consistency is play very important role to achieve your goals, what you can achieve, right? I hope these examples you understand, and I hope you get it my point what I want to say, right? So guys, this is all about why consistency is important and why we need to be consistent. Guys, if we are consistent with our practice, our readings, our speaking, then guys, one day we became perfect in this language, right? So guys, you need to be consistent and dedicate with their goals, with your goals. Now today's video is all that, and if you like this video, like the hit button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, right? See you in next video. Till now, bye bye.